Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. All it takes is one sleepless night for our eyes to look tired. In fact, our eyes make a big difference in our appearance. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed that your eyelids appear to be drooping and the skin is sagging? Also known as ptosis, drooping eyelids may appear as a consequence of natural aging, but they can also be congenital or even arise from diseases such as diabetes or other nervous system-related problems. In some cases, apart from the aesthetic discomfort, the drooping eyelids can also affect your vision. If this is your case, you've probably already thought about doing something about it, such as surgery. But before you turn to more invasive methods, we've brought you a very simple recipe that will quickly improve the appearance of drooping eyelids. And the best part is that it only takes one ingredient, which you probably already have in your kitchen. Here's what to do. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 cotton swab. Instructions: if you have any makeup on your face, remove it completely and wash your face afterwards. Then break the egg and separate the egg white from the egg yolk. For this recipe, you'll only need the egg white. Dip the cotton swab in the egg white. Close your eyes and apply the egg whites all over your eyelid. Keep your eyes closed until the egg white is dry. It's recommended that you do this application up to 3 times a week. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.